So here we have a 2022 model Honda Accord. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. So you're going to come over to the passenger side. Of course, if you notice this here, it says airflow, which is going to go down. So you're going to pop the glove box, and if you can see, there's a tab on each side. So you basically just bend this in. See that right there? I'm trying to do this one-handed, so you basically just bend the plastic like this inward to release. It's not really a tab that you release. It's more or less just this holds it inside the groove there. So let's see. First all the stuff's gonna fall out. So this is the door right there, that honeycomb thing. So there's a tab on this side and a tab on this side. Let me show you. Of course, if I can do it one-handed, I know you can do it. Oh, all right. So see this right here. That right there is what you're gonna push, because it clips in right here. So you push this up to release one on each side. So I'm gonna take the old one out. See, the air flows down. This is pretty good. Take the new one. Of course, these have, like, this side's harder. This is an actual Honda one. So see, this is more flimsy. This is the harder side. So airflow down. You're just gonna stick it back in the hole. Push it in there. Some of them, especially if it's aftermarket, it may not slide in there that easy. Now you're just gonna put it back in there. Put the cover back over it. And that side you could hear it clip, but this side you couldn't hear it, but I felt it with my hand. So that's pretty much it with this one. Some of them have a lock right here, or it's like a little shock that you have to disconnect. This one doesn't. Pretty much, there's a lot of manufacturers that are like this. It's behind the glove box. A lot of Hondas are behind the glove box, and super easy to install yourself. Put this stuff back in there, then fill out, and voila, cabin air filter installed.